What's up, Bread Gang? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. I know I am. Happy Tuesday, I guess today is. So before I get into the topic of discussion today, which is the thumbnail, my fog lights aren't working. Me and Brian went golfing this morning. Me and Brian, of all people, went golfing this morning, and I'm not going to bore y'all with the whole thing. I did make a whole video of it, but there were definitely some funny points of the day. So I want y'all to take a look and have a laugh with me, because there were some pretty funny points today. So I'm going to insert that right here. If you want, go ahead and skip forward a little bit in the video, because it'll be a couple minutes of just funny golfing shenanigans that me and Brian went through this morning. So I'm going to insert that right here. Back at the mothership. Back at the mothership, BJ Filippi. Look at his golf attire today. We're going golfing today. That's not the point of the video, but we're going golfing today, and we want to bring you along with us. I do have some truck content. Obviously, you see it in the thumbnail. So we're gonna get some Bojangles. Well, that was good. So we made it to the half RV park, half golf course we're fishing at today. And Brian's overdressed. Brian's overdressed. Turn around. Turn around. Brian's That's overdressed. The clubhouse is a portable, guys. Oh man, the clubhouse is a portable from elementary school. Oh man.
There you go. Gas powered, baby.
Damn, that's a clean ass ride. That's a clean ass ride. How many fat donuts are we gonna rip in this thing?
Too many.
Look at that stance. Stance gas powered? Whoa. Throw me back in my seat, why don't you? We need to know where we're going.
A little bit.
Is this the back nine up here? Yeah. You go first here. Take a tee. Take a tee. Oh, whoa, whoa.
That's why you don't stand behind
Yell
somebody.
4, please. What do you mean? Yell 4 before you
Interesting video today, boys.
This is gonna be an interesting day, that's for sure. Dude, I should have brought a fishing pole and we could fish some of the ponds out here.
All
right, let's see it. Let's see it. Hey, I got full faith in you, okay? I love it. I love the swing, follow through. It's all in the hips.
That's one. Hook to the right. Let's go. Did you see where it went?
Yeah, it's at that tree right in front of us. Watch and learn, Cupcake.
Go to your home. Don't you want to go home?
That's two.
We're gonna be quoting Happy Gilmore a lot today, okay? If y'all haven't seen Happy Gilmore, it is a must see. It's been a hot minute. It's been like years, plural. One practice swing, and we're going for it. We're going for it. You ready for this, Brian?
I guess so.
Farther than yours?
Yeah, we're taking that one.
We'll take that one. That was a worm burner right there. Going left, scoop! I can't find the ball anywhere.
Dude, I can't find it either. Oh, wait, I found it.
What the? We gotta do it. We gotta do it. we can't drop.
Play it as it lies.
Play it as it lies. Green tea. No practice swing. We're just going all in for it. Oh. Meme City. Club went farther than the ball. That was cool. So we're gonna get this bread, okay? Get this bread. I get 2 shots. 2 shots, okay? Actually, should I think it's front foot, right? Or wedge? Oh, we got one more.
Dude, that was so sick.
Well, there's a bad shot clip. Shoot. I hate you. No. No, Brian.
You ready?
Stop. Here, I'll let you hold it.
Oh shit!
Oh, fuck. That wasn't too bad. Now, me and Brian haven't been golfing combined. It's been at least probably 6 months to a year since he's been golfing, and it's been at least a year or two since I've been golfing, so it was really funny. It was a lot of fun this morning. Me and Brian are definitely gonna have to do that more often. There were definitely some good shots that we had this morning. And there were definitely some bad ones. Sheesh. Holes that way. As you can see, it was a lot of fun, and we had a blast. But to dive into today's video, first, let me roll the intro. They're gonna hate me for this one. We've gotten a lot of bread today. About to get kicked out of Bojangles. So, as the thumbnail says, my fog lights are not working right now, and I'm trying to figure out why. So usually, this right here controls my fog lights. I usually turn those off that way, so the automatic light control is off over there, and I can press this button and the fog lights come on. That's gonna annoy the hell out of me. Normally when I turn the fog lights on, it usually has, ignored the messy garage, it usually has the halos and the running lights up here that come on, and the fog lights down here. Now the fog lights are supposed to be on right now, but they are not. So the running lights and the fog lights are connected to the same switch that I showed you just a second ago in the truck. So somewhere between that switch out to here, something's going on. Now I think potentially it could be that no, we're not dealing with that. I think it could be that this fuse over here in the fuse box has somehow got blown. We're gonna try and pop this off real quick. All right, so I got this off, got to the fuse box. One of these, we did go to our little handy dandy, let me find the page with the fuses on it. This is not our fuse panel that we need. The fuse box is under the, let's see. After doing some research, the fuse, from what I understand, is number 49, micro fuses 2-pin. So we do have to get into the fuse box over here. Let's see. So that's this way, like that. Number 49. 49 is going to be this small one over here, the second one. So it's going to be this little blue one here. Oh, okay. So I don't know if y'all can see. So this fuse here, that fuse right there, second blue one that my finger's on, is for the fog lights. Now this is my first attempt to fix the fog lights. So if this does not work, it is going to be up to y'all to help me figure out how the hell to fix this. So hold on just a second, I'm gonna get that out, and then we're gonna try and find a spare one to put in. Not sure I don't know if these are watts or amps or whatever the hell it is. So like I said, that second one right there, the one closer that way, is what I need. Number 10 right here, this 10 amp fuse is a spare. So what I'm gonna do, preferably I'd like another 15 to go there, but for now I'm gonna have to do the 10 just to at least see if it works. So I'm gonna switch those out real quick and we'll see if that fixes it. All right, so I've gotten, as you can see right there, new fuse is in. We're gonna try it out and see if that'll work. Hopefully that fixes it and I can just go get a new. All right, running lights are on. Lights are back on. Nope. Personally, I don't think that fuse was big enough because I heard when I was turning them on and off, I heard clicking, and normally it doesn't click like that. So I think that fuse isn't big enough. Let's see if I can find a spare on the side that'll fit that. All right, I think I've found a replacement 15 amp fuse. All right, moment of truth. Come back over. Turn our lights back on. Nope. Dang. Well, I genuinely don't know what's wrong with them. And I hate to be the guy that kind of leaves y'all, you know, I don't really know what else to do. I'm gonna have to get a fuse tester or a what's it called? Whatever the hell it's called, a power tester or whatever the hell it is, and try and figure out where the power is stopping somewhere in there. I won't be able to figure that out right now in time for this video to come out. So leave some likes or not likes. What the hell? Leave some comments below. Let me know what y'all think, what the cause might be. So I mean, the running lights are still working, but I can't figure out what the hell is making the fog lights to not come on. I don't think it's that fuse because I switched the fuses out and that's not doing the trick. So leave some comments, help me out. I mean, I need y'all's help. I might run to O'Reilly's or something or see if I'll get them to look at it. I'm definitely not taking it to the dealership because they're gonna charge me an arm and a leg to do some stupid crap like this. So hopefully I can figure it out, but I'll keep y'all updated. Let's get this bread.